so today I'm going to be telling you about my 1 week post-op breast augmentation. And yes, I had a breast augmentation and I've literally wanted it for, oh my gosh, 13 years. I've been so desperate for boobs and now I have them. And actually they look amazing on camera, I'm ever so pleased. So this is a sports bra by Victoria's Secret. Thank you very much, Victoria's Secret. It fits me absolutely beautiful. It is a medium. So I am now feeling amazing, but I haven't been. You can get this thing called boob job depression. And I got it and I never thought I would, because you want something for so long and then you get it and it's just like you feel so low. And basically what it is, it's nothing to do with the fact that you got a boob job. It's the anaesthetic come down and the drugs come down. So when you have a breast augmentation, they give you a load of drugs into your IV, right, just to like get you to sleep and stop you having pain and whatever. And they also give you morphine. So when you're coming down from all these drugs, it makes you feel really, really low, along with the fact you're on painkillers. Codeine makes you so constipated. You're in a lot of pain and you're trying to kind of move about and you're achy, and I'm not in as much pain anymore. I literally could go a whole day without taking paracetamol, whereas when I first had my breast augmentation, I think it was like day 2 or 3, I was on codeine, like 60 milligram every 4 hours, and it was really intense, and I was taking so many laxatives and actually overdosed on laxatives, and then I was really poorly after that, but that is a separate video. So yes, I absolutely love them. They are very natural. They still need to settle a bit, so I don't know if you can see, but they are quite soft, but they're still very firm. So if I turn to the side, they do have a very natural slope, so you can see that this sports bra is not a push-up bra or anything. It's just like got a thin padding, just stop your nipples like showing. Other than that, I think that it fits my boobs very nicely. So I will show you the incision scars. If you are a little bit squeamish, you may want to look away for the next few seconds. So this is my left side. I have actually got a new dressing on it there. You can see it's very small. This side is a little bit more sore, and as you can see I've got some special moist dressing on it, and it's just a little bit bubbly there just where the gel's coming out. I'd say definitely this side has been a little bit sorer to heal, and I think it's because I'm right-handed. So anything I do, I mean, I can't push a hoover. I can, barely open a car door. It's really weird, and you have to teach yourself to not do it, because if you strain yourself and pull your stitches, you are going to be in one hell of a lot of pain. Plus my nurse and my surgeon are all the way in London, so for them to come over to here to see me in Portsmouth, it's a bit like, oh my god, I'm really sorry. I just ruined all your hard work. So all in all, I am really happy. I am out of pain. I can use my hands to kind of push myself up the bed a little bit, but I don't want to do it too much. I can't lift Charlie at all. I can't carry a heavy bag, so what I've done is I've bought myself one of these ones that goes over your shoulder bags, so that all the weight is distributed across my body and I'm not carrying it in my hands. But yeah, so give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to me for free for more boobie updates, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies!